Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Master Hand in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate's World of Light. It's a truly unique experience, but it's important to know it's a one-time event within the story. You won't permanently unlock him for other battles, but getting to control this iconic boss is incredibly satisfying. Let's dive into the steps to reach this special moment. Your journey begins by progressing through the main story of World of Light. You'll need to defeat the primary antagonist of the Light Realm, Galeem, and then venture into the Dark Realm to overcome Darkin. Successfully completing both of these epic battles is crucial, as it unlocks the very last section of the adventure map. Once both realms are cleared, a new path called the Final Battle appears. Here, you'll face off against both Master Hand and Crazy Hand. After defeating them several times, they will combine their power to tear open a giant portal. This dramatic event is your signal that the special moment is near. Master Hand will then dive into the rift, and you'll take control of him for an incredible mob smash battle. You'll command his powerful moves against 50 puppet fighters, showcasing his true strength. Remember, this is a singular event. To experience it again, you must restart World of Light from the very beginning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.